Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga to regulate periods. Let's begin. Let's sit down in Pada Konasana. Sole of your feet together, drop your knee to the side. And just right now, let's give yourself a little massage. Grab your toes. And press the ball of your feet. And also press around the arch. Around your heels. And also around your ankles. And enter your feet. Massage and bring the blood to your feet. Warm up your feet. Okay, very nice. Okay, now just steady and bounce your legs, bounce your knees, release and relax. If you want, you can soften your gaze, drishti, or close your eyes, just stay there, bounce, bounce. And if you notice any tension around your shoulders, especially release. At this point, start cultivating Ujjayi Pranayama, breathing through the nose, deep and smooth. And exhale through the nose, long and deep. And relax. And from here, just the chest, make circle. Let's see, 5 times one side. And make sure to do reverse circle. Move your chest and kind of articulating around your belly. Create a movement around the spine as well. Good. Okay, and now let's come to flat on the belly. And take a bow pose. So grab your toes or ankle and inhale, lifting up your legs. And take 5 deep breaths. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Continue breathing. And exhale, release. Palms underneath your shoulders. Shoulder blades together, hug your elbows in. And inhale, baby cobra, chest up, Bhujangasana. 5 deep breaths here. Now release. Tuck your toes, bend your knee, press back to downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Now here a little bit, let's pedal your feet. Few times. And inhale on your toes, bend your knee. And belly button to the side and look slightly forward. 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue breathing. And exhale slowly. Bring your heels down. Good. Okay, on your knee, either tucking your toes or straighten your toes either way. And from here, inhale. And here, let's take camel pose, Ustrasana. Slowly grab your heels and hips forward, shoulder blades together, sternum lifting up. 5 deep breaths. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. And slowly come back to seated pose. Okay, now find your way to come to kneeling down on your back. And from here, bring elbow close and chest up and the crown of your head on the mat, and let's take fish pose. Matsyasana, fish pose. Make sure to keep your chest wide open and sternum lifting up. And we walk on pranayama. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And slowly tuck your chin. Bring your head down. And extend your arms, your legs. Let's take final pose of Shavasana. Inhale deep. And exhale, release. Let it go. This sequence is designed to promote healthy and regular menstrual system. You can do it as often as you need. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!